Respect is a two-way street to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for today is respect is a two-way street. Doing an idiom, and we're talking about what does it mean, where does it come from, and how can we use it to build and grow and supersize our business. And I'm doing it in alignment with this year's annual challenge, which is called the BU 365-Day Challenge, to do one thing every day that improves us. Because the truth is, the ultimate secret to growing and building and supersizing your business and creating what you want is to become a continually improving, best possible version of you. So as we grow and change and build our business, we have to grow and change and become more ahead of it in order for our business to grow. Otherwise, we just have to be able to get out of the way. And for a lot of us who like to build and grow our businesses, getting out of the way is one of the hardest things that we possibly have to do. Oftentimes I found whenever my business was struggling or having a slowdown in progress, it was because I was doing something that was causing a bottleneck. And it was up to me to see that and figure out, unless I had great advisors that would tell me, hey, the reason you're not growing is because you are strangleholding this particular aspect of your business. And if you don't get out of the way, you're just going to keep doing what you're doing, and you're going to get more stressed, more frustrated, more upset as you're growing and building and supersizing your business. So that's my personal experience with getting out of my own way and being a bottleneck. Now, respect is a two-way street. I love this idiom because it means that we should respect, and respect should be reciprocal. We should give respect in order to receive. And there we go with another universal law. What we put out into the world is what we get back. So keep in mind, if you're putting good things into the world, you're getting good things back. If you're putting bad, negative energy, doubt, worry, fear, or anything evil into the world, you're going to get that back too. So respect is no different. Respect means that we treat people the way we want to be treated, which I've definitely talked about a lot in this segment, plus every other piece of content that I create. We need to treat people the way we want to be treated. And the truth is, the way you treat other people is the way you treat yourself, whether you think you do or not. Sometimes subconsciously, we're treating ourselves pretty badly, and that's the only reason we would ever treat other people badly. So what are the advantages to respect, and how do they help us grow and build our business? I looked up a couple of things that I thought were interesting. Business respect can help us in a lot of ways. Number one, biggest one for me personally, is it reduces stress. If you treat people the way you want to be treated, they'll treat you the way you want to be treated, assuming, of course, we're treating people well. And that reduces our stress, right? Especially during challenging times. And boy, we've had a lot of those over the last couple of years. But guess what? We're going to continue to have them too, because that's what happens when we're building something in the world. Number two, it maximizes our productivity. It increases collaboration. It increases, excuse me, employee satisfaction. And it creates a fair, I don't like the word fair, work environment. It makes it better for everybody, right? If we treat one another with dignity and respect, people feel safe and are more likely to contribute. And that's our most valuable resource. So why wouldn't we want to treat people in ways that make them feel good, that make them produce and behave in ways that make our customers feel good and like they're an important part of the whole equation as we're building and growing our business. So I would love to know today your way of showing respect to the people that you work with in your business, or you can share in your personal life as well. Do you have some key ways that you do that? I have some ways that I do it that seem to work for me because they match my personality and who I am and how I want to show up in the world. That's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how can you apply it to building and growing your business today? And the purpose of it is to get us thinking in different ways and outside of the box and creatively when it comes to what things mean, not only to us, but the people that we are in relationships with. And when we're building our business, that's usually a lot of different types of people. All right, have a great day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.